किस तरह से लोगों को प्लीज समझाइए कि अपने पेट्स को अबैंडन क्यों कर देते हैं और नहीं करना चाहिए, और जब वो अबैंडन कर देते हैं तो फिर आप लोग क्या करते हैं? व्हाट इज द प्रोसीजर?
See, the saddest thing is कि जब लोग pets रखते हैं, they think of a pet as a commodity and not as a family member.
जी.
And the minute there's a little bit of a problem, they think it's a commodity, let's just get rid of it. My biggest request to people is, if you keep a pet thinking, especially a dog, 15 साल की उसकी life होती है, and it is not going to be smooth sailing throughout. Keep it only if you are ready to make that commitment for the entire life of the pet.
Yes, yes.
And consider that this is a living creature and it is not a thing. The minute you face a problem, you want to get rid of it.
Gee.
And some people will call the shelter and say, we want to donate the animal to you. So I ask them, what do you mean by donate? You know, they want to abandon a pet and they're telling us we want to donate it to you.
They don't understand कि
so हम
ऐसे कुछ
counsel
होता ही नहीं है.
करते हैं, we try. Yeah, I know. The first thing is, अगर somebody calls us and tells us कि we want to abandon, तो हमारा first thing is we try and counsel them, we try and understand आप क्यों छोड़ना चाहते हो, is there any way we can help you, that you know the situation जो भी तब arise हुई है, if it can be sorted out, that you can understand and you can retain the pet. And it happens a lot of times, people want to abandon a pet because they don't understand कि इस जो issue हो रहा है वो resolve भी हो सकता है.
जी.
So our first thing is we counsel, we try and see कि कुत्ता abandon ना हो. पर अगर वो 100% वो कहते हैं कि अगर नहीं आप लोगे तो हम सड़क पे छोड़ देंगे, then we take the dog. It's very sad because a lot of dogs don't adjust in a shelter. A lot of dogs give up eating food.
बिल्कुल.
And they die of depression also. And then of course a dog that is used to living in a house, shelter environment में, he's more susceptible to catching infections. So it's not a nice situation for a pet dog.
It's really not.
But then we have no option. And most of the abandoned dogs are dogs which are already left on the street by people, and किसी को मिल जाता है और वो rescue करता है या हमको call आती है and we go and pick the dog up. And then we try, after we've treated it, to try and find a loving home. So there are a lot of dogs we have found homes for, and they've gone back to what we call forever homes. That means वहां से कभी भी उसको नहीं निकालेंगे.
जी, forever.
But बहुत सारे होते हैं जिनको नहीं मिलता. But हमारा constant endeavor है कि every dog को घर मिल जाए. Actually, there is one thing which I want to say here.
Please.
You know, a lot of
आप इमोशनल हो गई हैं बात करते करते. मैंने देखा आप ये सिर्फ एक एनिमल लवर के ही अंदर से ये आ सकती है ये बात. इनफैक्ट आपको देखकर भी मुझे भी आई कैन फील यू राइट नाउ, एंड आई अंडरस्टैंड इट्स नॉट अ टफ, it's not an easy situation to be in when it comes to animals.
Because they can't speak.
वो
and the kind of
बिल्कुल उन कहाँ एक खाना तक नहीं मांगते हैं, वो तो प्यार के भूखे होते हैं सिर्फ. उनको सड़क पे छोड़ देते हैं और इतना मतलब फीलिंग ही बहुत हर्ट करती है. हम लोगों को तो बहुत हर्ट करती है. खैर, और आपके तो
जो केयर करता है उनको समझ भी आती है. राइट
जी.
So there is one point which I want to make.
Please.
You know, a lot of street puppies जो street पे पैदा होते हैं, people want to find homes for them. And now I have had 16 years of experience of people wanting to abandon dogs. And जो breed वाले कुत्ते होते हैं, they are bred. So genetically they are, you know, the genes are tweaked for dogs to be a certain way. So you will have certain dogs which will be bred to be aggressive. There are certain dogs which will be bred to be calm. So when you take a breed dog, you know what you're getting. But when you take in a mixed breed dog, उसके अंदर कितनी breeds का mixture होता है, you don't know. So you don't know उस dog की temperament क्या होगी when the dog grows up.
जी.
The puppy छोटा होता है, sweet होता है. A lot of people adopt the puppy, take it off the street. उसके बाद जब वो 8 महीने का हो जाता है, 9 महीने का हो जाता है, कभी-कभी होता है वो बहुत ज़्यादा boisterous होता है. And he has a lot of energy. He starts chewing things.
Yeah.
And he becomes aggressive and he starts biting. Then people start tying up the dog. And that makes him more aggressive. And then we get a call when the puppy is about 1 year old that this dog is biting. Please, we want to give him up. It is the saddest thing. And I tell people, you know, let the puppy remain on the street. It is better वो अपनी माँ के साथ रहे, survive करेगा, great. नहीं survive करेगा, that is his life in nature. The minute you remove him from that natural place that is his, that is why they call street dogs. They're meant to be on the street.
Yeah.
and then you give him a home, you have made him a pet dog. अब वो pet dog is dependent on humans to survive. He cannot go back. And once the humans decide to dump him, he has no other place but a shelter. And a shelter is the worst place for any healthy animal to be. It's a place for only sick and injured animals. So my request is, if you give up a puppy to anybody to adopt, understand the person who's taking the puppy. Does he really understand what an animal is going to be? Is he ready to deal with the animal, even if he's going to be temperamental, if he's going to chew, if he's going to bite? And the commitment is for 15 years at least, or till the life of the dog.
बहुत जरूरी है ये, आपने बहुत important point raise करा है, क्योंकि लोगों को लगता है चलो सड़क पे है, फ्री है, उठा लेते हैं.
Exactly, इतना क्यूट है, उठा लो. बच्चों को पसंद आता है ये. हाँ, मतलब बच्चे कहते हैं पापा ले लो, मम्मी ले लो, तो वो उठा लेते हैं. वो जब क्यूटनेस खत्म हो जाती है.
प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड गाइस कि एक एनिमल की लाइफ सड़क पर, उसकी जिंदगी है, उसके अंदर सोल बसती है, वो एक एनिमल सोल है. प्लीज उसको सड़क से ऐसे मत उठाइए. अगर आप उसको जिंदगी भर के लिए, अगर आप उसको अपने घर में नहीं रख सकते, उसको सड़क पे रहने दीजिए अपनी माँ के साथ, जैसे अनुराधा ने बोला. ये हमारी तरफ से आप सब, ये इस वीडियो के माध्यम से रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप प्लीज इस बात को समझें और दूसरों को भी समझाएं.